This is all about custom values. We're going to be talking about that today and how to utilize them and what exactly they are. Because when I first got started using GoHighLevel, I did not understand the power of these amazing custom values. So we're going to be talking about that today. My name is Mandy Sommers, the creator of Summer School, and I am your online coach for building out your YouTube and your systems to support your YouTube channel. I'm so excited that you're here, and I hope that you find value in this tutorial. So let's jump right in, where we're going to be talking all about custom values. So custom values are these little bracketed values that you can assign to a lot of different things. So let's say you're wanting to have the year on the bottom of your website. You definitely want a custom value for that. So let me show you right here. You can see that this is the year and the custom value. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to edit this custom value, and I'm going to put the value in as the actual year, 2025. I'm going to update that. Now, on every website or funnel that I build, instead of at the bottom putting 2025, I'm actually going to copy this custom value right here. And that's what I'm going to put in at the bottom of the funnel. So let's go into sites, down into funnels, and let's go into our lead generation funnel right here. This is probably pretty basic, just one that I was showing. How to build out a funnel. And so you can see right here at the bottom, we've got a footer. Let me pull this up a bit. And we're going to add in here some text. Let's drag this all the way down. And we're going to go a little bit further. And in this text, we're going to just paste in that custom value. So if we save this and I open it up, at the very bottom, let's give it 1 sec because I don't know if I'd saved it all the way. There you can see right here, it says 2025. Now, the reason why this is such a cool feature to have, and I love it that this is part of the high-level system, is I want you to think about all the different ways that you can be using custom values. I know for me, I host a lot of live online classes, and they're repeat classes. So I do a couple boot camps. I teach people how to find their ideal clients. I do lots of different things, and it's usually a very similar class to the last one. In fact, it always is with the same title. But I have new people coming into it. And so I need to change the date every single time. But the date isn't just changed in your funnel. You've got to change it in your automations, the email reminders that go out, and then the day that it starts, you've got to change it there. And so when you use custom values, you can put that custom value on funnels in your website or in your email sequences. You can put them everywhere that you are changing that date, and all you have to do is go into the custom values and update it there instead of updating it in all the other places. So this is huge. So huge. And you can use custom values for so many other things other than dates. Like I know right now I kind of just talked about dates for that one, but there's lots of different ways to be using this. Maybe you have people that you're assigning to, they're coming in and people are coming in and they're filling out a form, and you have a staff of people who do those appointments. And if you use a custom value to assign that out, then if that staff member changes or goes to a different company, you can update it right there. There's lots of different ways that you can use this. In fact, I have started using custom values for my logo. So you upload your logo into the media file, you grab that link, and you come into the custom values, you create a logo custom value, and then anytime you update your logo, it's now all you have to do is go into that custom field. So let me show you how I would do this. We're going to go back and share screen once again, just so you can see the different ways that we can do this. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have uploaded into your media storage a logo. So here's my logo right here. And I'm going to come into it and I'm going to get the link. Then I'm going to go back down into settings and then custom values all the way down here. And I'm going to click new custom value. I'm going to put in here logo. And the value is going to be the link to that logo. We're going to click create. And now we're going to come in and grab this custom value right here. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back over into our sites and I'm going to click edit. Now this is the same logo. So I'm actually going to change this out for something different so you can see. Let's come into media. Let's go to Pixabay and see what pulls up on Pixabay. So let's search beach. Okay, perfect. We're going to grab this and put this in right here. So that's what we've got currently. Now, if we wanted to change this to a custom value, we're going to come down and where this says image, we're actually going to drop in the custom value. Notice it updated. And so now this logo across the board, if you were to use this for every logo that you have, whenever you update your logo, you're not going to have to go through every single page individually to update it. You now have one spot. You just go back into the custom values, grab the link from the media library, pop it in there, and now you have your logo updated everywhere, all over your website, your emails, your templates, all the different things. So I want you to start using custom values. This is one of the greatest parts of building out a system. The whole purpose in building out a system, and this is what we teach at summer school, is to help you become free. We want to give you the tools to become free. And so what are the things that we can implement that will help to cut down on the time that we're spending building our businesses? And so often it's going in and doing that, just the remedial work of like changing a logo or updating a date of a class or a time or any of those things. And now you can use custom logos or custom values. I would love to hear in the comments how you're going to use custom values. Share it with us so we can get some ideas. It was so good seeing you on this video. Hit the subscribe button if you liked what you heard and give this video a thumbs up. I also have a ton of free resources below. If you're looking to learn how to build out courses or build out certain funnels, things like that, you can find all of that in the description below. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.